Hey everyone, welcome back to another video on our channel How to Guide. Today's video is about how you can send a photo message in TikTok. If that sounds helpful to you, watch this video till the end. And also subscribe to our channel if you are new here, and also turn on the notifications so you don't miss videos such like this. Firstly, open up your TikTok app. Now head over to your inbox. On the top right corner of the screen, click on the pen and paper option. Choose a person to message. Now you can see you don't have the option to send a photo as a message. You can either type something or you can send emojis, maybe some GIFs, and that's about it. In order to send a photo message in TikTok, you'll need to upload a photo to TikTok first. To do so, go to the plus icon, then click on effects, then go to green screen. Now choose this particular green screen. Make sure that you don't show your face in this. Now you can choose a photo. Now record this. After you're done, press the tick mark, then click on next. Then go ahead and post it. After posting it, now you can go to the three dots. Now you'll be able to send this to anyone. You can even type messages or type in emojis, then hit send. Now as you see, a photo message has been sent to another person. That's how you can send a photo message in TikTok. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. We upload similar videos like this every day, and we will be soon back with more. Thank you for watching.